We'll be undressed. We'll go naked on this one. No, I was only joking. God, we need a bigger camera lens. So this one, just to round off the Friday.
Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed it. We've hoped you enjoyed
We've
it.
enjoyed it.
We've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
We have such a laugh here. And all condensed in just an hour.
How do we do it?
He's got his sleeping bag and everything.
I know my antiperspirant's not working, that's for sure.
There's a lovely aroma in the air. Eau de toilette. You ready, Jim? Finish him off, mate.
Yeah.
Finish him off. Come on.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing.
It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond the doubt my heart will lead me there soon.
Meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. I know beyond the doubt, ow, my heart will lead me there soon.
Oh, we'll meet, I know we'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. No more sailing, so long sailing. Bye-bye sailing, so long. So long, farewell, my friend.
Happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
See you next week.
Get drunk. See you in hospital.
Oh, no, I nearly said hopefully then. Hopefully we'll see you next week. See you in hospital. Hopefully.
Hopefully we'll see you in hospital. No, I don't want to be in.